will see that how to extract the complete debt and investment survey, or we can say the 17th round. So let's see how it is. This is the visit 1. So in visit 1, like when you are opening, this many blocks you will see. These all are the different blocks. Okay, these are all the blocks which you have to merge together for getting the final information. Okay, so first of all I'll show in a like a very fast way that how you can merge like as fast as possible. What you need to do, you can create the merge command. Okay, these commands I have created for like merging this particular all the blocks. So like use, merge, drop, merge, and that all the variables these are here. Okay, now we'll open the first block. See, just a minute. Yeah, so this is first and 2, block 1 and 2. This we have opened. Yeah, it has come here. So now we'll put it side by side, and then since I have already created all the commands, so I'll directly do the merging. So I'll just select all, go to the do file, start do, or yeah, that way, or we can do, we'll make it full screen, and then from here we'll run that all commands. Yeah, all commands are there. I'm just running it. Do, I clicked on this. Now the commands are running. Now just see, all this is going on. It will take some time because so many blocks are there. So it is merging one by one. See here that process is going on here. Which block it is merging first? Now it is block 13 is going on, block 14, 15, 16. So this way all the blocks goes on. Yeah, so finally this is block 16. After that I think there are no blocks. It will take time because the observations are increasing so many. Okay, end of the file means entire do file has been executed, there was no error. Okay, so we'll minimize it. Now we don't use it, it is not required. Now this data, will see how it looks. This is the data, this is perfectly merged. Okay, now we'll try to match it with the original data. So we'll go to the debt and investment survey, visit 2. It is taking time to open. Okay, so meanwhile I'll show this that some variables are there which are required for merging the entire data set. So the first one is HHID. So this HHID is required like when you are merging the data, but a problem comes while using the HHID, and the problem is that this HHID repeats multiple times. So in order to stop that repeating, we have to take some measures. So just a minute, why this is not working? Yeah, now it is working. Okay, so this is the India's debt and investment survey. So for example, we are going to data description. We'll go first to the block 1. Some variables you will not be able to match it like without putting some if conditions. Some variables you will be able to directly match. For example, just see the states. Okay, so state, it is coming like Jammu Kashmir 2189 observations are there, Sikkim 833 observations are there. Now we'll match it with the stata. Okay, okay, so first time when I'll put, it will show wrong result. For example, see state. Now when I'll click, it might not show the correct information because see 52,000 observations it is showing. The reason behind this is that we have merged all the blocks, and each of the block was having the state code. So when we are like merging all together, then it is showing multiple information. What we need to do, it is, see, this is the block 1 and 2. We'll put here block, then option in R, if block 1 equal to 1. Now see, 2189, this is matching. Now just say for example Jharkhand 2305, Jharkhand 2305, exactly it is matching. Now block 1 is done. Same way we'll try another block, for example block 5. Okay, so in the block 5 again we'll try state only. Here 2189, our same observations are there, so we'll try something else. For example sample household number. Okay, so sample household number, it is the code is, let me see whether code is available. Sample, no, the code is not there. Something which is, yeah, these all information. For example B5Q1, B5Q1 is for HS, households owning land on which the household outside locates. Okay, so this code is B5Q1. Simply we'll type here tab B5Q1. Where is it? Yeah, Q1. Now just see, 83.3% it is yes, and then 16% is no. So see, 16.6%, or we can say 16.7%, it is exactly matching. Now we'll try some other randomly, some other information. For example block 10, yeah, this we can, this is serial number, yeah, value we can try B10Q3. We can copy here from, yeah, we'll copy from here, and then tab, we'll paste here. So it is coming 109 it is coming. So in the same way, if suppose we are trying last block, now block 16. So for example finance non-institutional, this particular thing we'll try. We'll copy the code and then we'll paste here. Okay, we have to put tab before that. So it is, yeah, this is so much information it is. Okay, so now see, valid cases 1909, here valid cases 1909, so it is perfectly matching. Now anywhere, like any of the block, anything you try, it will be perfectly matching. For example purpose of loan, yeah, so the purpose of loan also it will be perfectly matching. So this is, for example, this is B4 tab, this one. So see, 6886 it is matching. Each 38271, this is also perfectly much matching. So in this way we can match all the information, and the data is perfectly extracted. The only thing now we need to know is to put the weight. So like what result you will be getting in the report, that has to be that has to match with it. Okay, so this was in the short description that how you can extract the data by using the do file. So where is the do file? Okay, yeah, so this is the do file using which we have done this. See, first like use the put in memory the first data, and then merge it with the third block, then you save it like something b1 plus 2 something, and then drop the merge variable, then again do merging command, and after that you can do. Okay, so this is how we can merge entire data.